back with another video. It feels like I just created makeup tutorial like yesterday. Came up with this look to bring you a bold and sexy prom looking look. I know probably it's not yet prom in your country, but yeah, just want to give you a heads up of what I came up with, and I hope you guys like this. And if you guys are interested on seeing this look that I came up, just keep on watching. So my foundation and my eyebrows are already done, so now I'm going to begin with my eyeshadow. So now I'm going to take this NYX HD eyebrow base. This is also like a eyebrow primer to prep my eyelids. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys see what I'm doing. Next, I will be using this Urban Decay Naked 2 palette, and I'll be using this Foxy to put all over my eyes. I really like this eyeshadow palette because it's really smooth, it's really pigmented. So next I'll be using this Sephora bronzing powder. Yes, I know it's for bronzing your face, but you could also use that for your eyeshadow. It doesn't really matter. So this is in the shade medium if you guys wondering, and I'll be using that to use as the transition of the eyeshadow. Now I'll be using this brush that comes along with the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. And I'm going to add this at my crease as well, and kind of put it on at the outer corner of my eyes. And now I'll be using a fluffy brush to blend them out together. Now I'm gonna apply this champagne color. This is in the shade Booty Call, and apply it on my lids. Now I'm gonna use this color pop in the shade Elixir, and use this as the transition of my eyes to bring back to life using this fluffy brush. I'm also doing it under my eyes. Now I'm gonna take this highlighter from Jeffree Star to put it on my inner corner. And I love this, even though it's highlighter, I love this to put on my inner corner because it really brightens up my inner corner of my eyes, to pop up my eyes even more. I'm using a brush to blend it out so that it's not very harsh looking. And I'll be using this NICHIDO eye pencil. This is actually brown. I don't like to use black, but because I feel like it's too harsh. And I'll be using that to put into my waterline. So you just gotta be careful because you might poke your eyes. And if the pigment doesn't really come off easily, you just like draw into your hands. And doing this, you make your eyes look more bold. And also I'll be using that on the top of my eyes. I mean, I don't know what is it called, but yeah, I'm just gonna put it here like an eyeliner, but just to smudge it out so that it doesn't look very harsh. So for those people who don't really like to use eyelashes, like false eyelashes, you can just use a mascara that has a fiber in it so that it can like pop up your lashes more. I'll show you guys. Hope you guys can see that. I think it doesn't show, but yeah, there's a fiber in it, and I'm just gonna apply that onto my lashes. But before that, I'll be using a curly one. I'll be using this to curl my lashes. Using that into my lower lash as well. So you can see it properly. I'll be taking my bronzing powder, which is the Sephora one. This is in the shade medium, and I'll be using this angle brush. I'm gonna apply a little bit, just a little bit more, since this is like a prom or night out makeup, to give you a slim looking. I'll be doing this to contour my nose, and use your finger to blend them even more. And now let's proceed to the blush. I'll be using this NYX HD blush. This is in the shade Hamptons. And I'm going to add one more blush. This is already like finishing. I really like this blush because it's really natural. This is from Physician Formula. This is in the shade Blushing Natural. And now I'll be using my trusty in my video because I really like it. This is the Jeffree Star Screen Frost Eclipse. I really like this. It's like champagne colors, like champagne pop color. I really like it. And I'll be using the Trusty Worthy fan brush as well. I am not going to apply a lot because you just want to be not super highlighted but a natural highlight. So now let's proceed to the lips. Since this is a night or a prom look, we're not gonna do any nude lip. I was going to do a nude lip, but I'm thinking that I should do a bold lip. So yeah. So I'll be using a lip liner first. This is the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner. This is in the shade Melt Your Heart. Because we're gonna do a red lips or a bold color, you don't want to bleed the liquid liner, I mean the liquid lipstick, so you have to use a lip liner. I'll be using these Meet Matte from The Balm. This is in the shade Charming. And then this is the completed look, guys. I hope you guys like this video for those my girls who don't wear false lashes like me. And yeah, I hope it helps so much. I don't know, like kind of give you some idea what you could do without using any false lashes. And yeah, I hope you guys subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video, guys. Bye.